So guys, this is the second strategy. Now I came to the conclusion that we need to try to trade based on the trend, and accordingly I have selected the next indicators: alligator, fractal, zigzag. These three indicators with absolutely default settings, and this is enough for trading on a 1 minute time frame as we did and as we do. And actually let's start with the second strategy. Let's start with the $650 trade, and let me just select the first currency pair for it. Okay, here, by the way, is a pretty good entry into a deal for a long position, despite the fact that we seem to have already updated the local maximum. But I think the further dynamics should go up, and the local maximum, according to the zigzag, should be updated several levels higher. I made such a conclusion because I observed here's a intersection of the alligator lines, the sliding alligator lines from bottom to top, and that is why the deal here is for long opened. Perhaps not a very successful entry. Let's look at the result of this deal. We have 15 seconds. All right, first position is on profits. That's great. Nice result for our strategy, as you can see. Despite the fact that we seem to had the candle at the end of the candle gave an impulse upwards, and I was lucky here, kind of. So let's change the amount and let's continue our trading. Let's open here short position. Let's highlight the workspace for you. I will explain the entry principle, of course. Firstly, focusing here on the intersection, sliding alligators line, of course, they are rushed down, and also there was an update of the local maximum along the zigzag, but there was no update of the local minimum. Yeah, our zigzag does not go down. Accordingly, I think that the further dynamics of our movement should go even lower. Let's look at the result. This is my conclusion. Let's just wait for our profit. Unfortunately, we closes in a minus. Not a big deal. The candle's trade was a little lacking. Alright, the candle impulse was down, the price is standing still, so the deal was closed in the minus, but it's alright. Let's put $955. This is the entire balance amount, and continue our trade. Let me just fix it. Okay, let's open here long position. We opened it at a not very successful level, and the candle immediately showed a sharp impulse, and now a very sharp one has begun. Impulsive movement, but here I'm still guided by the alligator, and for the most part judging by the early dynamics of the movement. We now have a recovery trend, and intersection has occurred, right? You can see that sliding alligators, and they rushed up. This shows us a good upward dynamics now, and actually let's look at the result of this transaction. Alright, we're in the profits without any problems. Let's change the amount. Let's put 869 and open 2 transactions for a total of our entire balance. Let's continue. Let's pick up some other currency pair and analyze it. Let's stay on these currency pairs. Let's not pick anything else, and let me continue trading and pick the next entry. Alright, 2 long positions, despite the fact that the flat dynamics of the movement prevail here, as you can see, and the alligator doesn't do anything special for us. It doesn't show anything worthwhile. Here I'm focusing on the formation of a new local minimum along the zigzag and the fractal. We see the first update, we see the second update. Accordingly, we should have the local maximum is going to update itself, and I think that the dynamics of the movement should go up. Here the entry into the transaction was also not difficult. Let's wait, let's watch. Nice. Our last positions is in profits. That's the excellent result. After all, the candle at the end showed an upward impulse, and that is why the deals were closed in plus. Quite an unstable movement today, so I decided to focus on the trend today. And yes, actually was absolutely right, since the result is obvious. So I'm recording an excellent profit. Let's move to the conclusion. I will withdraw my money. Alright, we're done here. The withdrawal operation is successfully completed, guys. So there is the trading for today. I wish you like it. I wish you will repeat it and try it on by yourself. You will share this with your friends who are trading too, and you will not forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel waiting you there. There's a lot of strategies, and just ask me and I will help you to become one of us. Have a good market. Bye bye.